Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the headset and link. This is how and why it matters. Make sure the base station battery is above half and the USB dongle is in a rear USB 3.0 port for stable radio. Open SteelSeries Engine or GG now because firmware fixes compatibility and adds Windows audio options. Once done, power on the Arctis 7 and press the dongle pair button. You want a solid connection light. This initial pairing eliminates latency and ensures next you configure Windows and the SteelSeries software to route sound correctly. Open sound settings, set Arctis 7 as default playback and recording, and make sure communication device is the same. In Sound Control panel, check sample rate, match headset and app to avoid resampling. Once done, toggle Windows Spatial Sound to test positional audio, then fine-tune EQ, mic gain and side tone in the SteelSeries app. Doing this prevents clipping, background noise, and mismatched levels between apps. Finish by verifying real-world use. Join a call and run a game to balance chat and game audio. Use the app mixer or Windows app-specific volume to set priorities. If you experience dropouts, first reinsert the dongle or repair the headset. USB port power issues often cause disconnects. Once done, if problems persist, perform a base station factory reset by holding power and pair for 15 seconds, then reflash firmware. This clears corrupted settings and usually restores reliable audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.